Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView app stuck on loading screen. So here is how you can easily fix the issue. So the step 1 is you can simple check your internet connection. So when you have a slow internet connection, in that case your app will be stuck on the loading screen. In that case you can simple try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can try to change your Wi-Fi network. Okay, and still you are facing same kind of problem, so then you can change your location like in your room, so you can move to the any open places, or you can change your Wi-Fi network. The step 2 is you can simple force close and reopen the app and the mobile device. So sometimes force closing the app and mobile device and restart it can fix the many loading screen problems. So in that case, simple close the app, completely remove it from the recent screen. Now long press the side button of your application, sorry, the mobile device, and then after simple restart it. Okay, and again after restart, you can again open the application and check that your issue is fixed or not. If not, then you can simple move to the next step is you can simple update the application. So sometimes when the application is outdated, in that case, the many issues are present in the application like loading screen, chart not showing, delay, and many things. In that case, you can simple open the App Store and Google Play Store. Type here TradingView on the search bar, tap on the application and reinstall the app. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix. And if still you are facing same problem by following the all steps, and the last most common and the reliable step is you can re-log in on the application. You can simple sign out by pressing the sign out, then restart the mobile and then sign in again on the application. So these are the steps that can help you to fix. Goodbye.